I remember the first time I sent an email back in 1994. I sent an email to a client in New York, and within 2 minutes, I got a call from him on my landline number. I didn't have a cell phone back then. I was fascinated with the speed of this communication, and I was hooked on to the power of digital communication in that one moment. Hi, I'm Neena Dayal, and I help you maximize your social influence. What makes you attracted to online business and also to social media? Do you want to leverage the immense power of digital and social media for building a personal or business brand? Do you want to understand how to operate remotely and still connect productively with the people from all over the world? That's what this channel is all about. If you are a small business owner or have a big business, social media marketing is mandatory for you because if you are not having a good social media presence, you are invisible to the world. But social media marketing is not just about selling your products and services through the social media, it's about building your social influence. And social influence is built over time with patience, knowledge, valuable content, and helping others. I help you understand your talents, develop your niches and micro niches, which are your super specialty areas, and then I help you to create content that establishes you as a differentiator. This ultimately develops your social influence. I believe that people having knowledge in any fields can channelize it to create passive income streams for themselves. So, if you still haven't decided upon your business area, I can help you decide and choose the path that best resonates with you, utilizing your unique talents, abilities, and ideas. You must be thinking what makes me worthy of helping you. I am a business coach based at Lucknow in India. I've been coaching remotely using online communication tools for 10 years now. I have clients all over the world. Before going full time into business coaching in 2010, I've spent many years in web content creation, branding, advertising, and marketing. After I initially started out as a freelance journalist for print publications in 1993. I've also made several corporate documentary and training films while I was heading an advertising agency. I have also made a short film based on one of my short stories for International Film Festival of India. In short, I've spent my entire professional life of 27 years with different media and have created content for different media. Digital media has been my most favorite because of the speed of communication and global reach. And what to say of social media? It has created major disruptions in the way businesses are advertised, publicized, and sales are made. Digital and social media have created more opportunities and made more millionaires than ever before. I've recently started growing my YouTube channel. My videos will benefit you if you're looking for practical information on developing a sustainable business online and in maximizing your social influence, even if you are totally new to online business development. I'm also heavily inclined towards personal development because I believe business growth is never complete without personal growth. In fact, I'm certified by the living legend in human potential enhancement, Mr. Bob Proctor, and happen to be the only person from the Indian subcontinent to be a part of Bob Proctor's Advanced Mind Camp. I'm extremely happy and grateful for this. I collaborate with several social media influencers, as you'll see on my live streaming Success Synergy shows. Past episodes are available on this channel. We upload videos every Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, and sometimes on Fridays. So look around and subscribe to the channel. If you have any specific questions, do send them in the comments section and I'll help you in getting the answers. Keep moving forward.